Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that impacts every creator and viewer on YouTube, the algorithm. Over the years, YouTube's algorithm has shaped what we watch, how content is discovered, and even how creators plan their videos. In this video, we'll compare how the algorithm worked in 2022 with what experts predict for 2026. Whether you're a content creator aiming to grow your channel or a curious viewer, understanding these changes can help you stay ahead. Let's get started and see how the platform is evolving. Before we jump into the details, here's a quick intro with our channel logo. This sets the stage for today's deep dive into YouTube's algorithm evolution. Get ready for a journey through time and technology as we break down what's changed and what's coming next. Let's rewind to 2022. Back then, the YouTube algorithm was primarily driven by three main factors: watch time, click-through rate (CTR), and audience retention. In simple terms, YouTube wanted to keep viewers on the platform as long as possible. Videos that encouraged people to click on thumbnails and then kept them watching were rewarded with more recommendations. This approach shaped how creators designed their content, focusing on engaging intros and compelling thumbnails. Visualize this. Imagine a graphic showing the three pillars: watch time, click-through rate, and retention. These metrics were at the heart of YouTube's recommendation system. Creators who mastered these elements saw their videos promoted more often, while those who didn't struggled to gain traction. The focus was on keeping viewers engaged from the first second to the last. In 2022, creators adapted by crafting eye-catching thumbnails and optimizing their video openings. The goal was to grab attention quickly and keep viewers watching. Many channels experimented with different formats, lengths, and storytelling techniques to maximize these key metrics. The algorithm rewarded consistency and creativity, pushing successful videos to wider audiences. For viewers, this meant seeing more videos that matched their interests and kept them engaged. The algorithm learned from each user's behavior, recommending content based on what they watched, liked, and clicked. This personalized approach made YouTube addictive for many, but it also raised questions about echo chambers and content diversity. Despite its strengths, the 2022 algorithm had limitations. Some creators felt pressured to chase trends or sensational topics just to stay relevant. Others worried about burnout from constantly optimizing for metrics. Meanwhile, viewers sometimes found themselves stuck in content loops, seeing the same types of videos repeatedly. As YouTube continued to grow, the company recognized the need for a more balanced approach. They began experimenting with new ways to surface diverse content and support creator well-being. This set the stage for the changes we're starting to see today and the projections for the future. In the years following 2022, YouTube began rolling out updates aimed at promoting content diversity and reducing the pressure on creators. New features encouraged longer-form content, community engagement, and even educational videos. The algorithm started to weigh factors like viewer satisfaction and feedback more heavily. Artificial intelligence began playing a bigger role in YouTube's recommendation engine. AI models analyzed not just what people watched, but how they interacted with content, pausing, rewinding, or sharing. This allowed for even more personalized suggestions and helped surface hidden gems from smaller creators. YouTube Shorts exploded in popularity, changing how creators approached content. The algorithm adapted to support short-form videos, giving them prominent placement on the platform. This shift encouraged experimentation and brought new audiences to YouTube, especially younger viewers who preferred quick, engaging clips. In 2024, community features like polls, posts, and live streams became more important. The algorithm started to recognize and reward channels that fostered active engagement, not just passive viewing. This encouraged creators to build stronger relationships with their audiences and diversify their content strategies. YouTube also made efforts to be more transparent about how recommendations worked. They introduced new dashboards and analytics tools for creators, helping them understand what was driving their video performance. This shift empowered creators to make data-driven decisions and reduced some of the mystery around the algorithm. Metrics like viewer satisfaction surveys and feedback buttons started to influence recommendations. YouTube wanted to ensure that viewers weren't just watching longer, but actually enjoying the content. This marked a shift from pure engagement metrics to a more holistic view of quality and satisfaction. As we approach 2025, YouTube's algorithm is expected to become even more sophisticated. Machine learning models will likely analyze a wider range of signals, from content sentiment to creator consistency. The goal is to create a more balanced ecosystem that supports both creators and viewers. Looking ahead to 2026, experts predict that YouTube's algorithm will focus even more on personalization and community. AI will continue to evolve, making recommendations that feel almost tailor-made for each user. At the same time, there will be a push for greater content diversity and support for niche creators. AI will likely play an even bigger role in surfacing new and relevant content. Instead of just relying on past behavior, the algorithm may analyze mood, context, and even real-time trends. This could help users discover videos they didn't even know they wanted to watch, making the platform more dynamic and engaging. YouTube is expected to introduce more tools and resources to help creators succeed. This could include advanced analytics, personalized coaching, and even mental health support. The aim is to reduce burnout and make content creation more sustainable for everyone involved. Community engagement will likely become a bigger part of the recommendation system. Comments, shares, and collaborative projects could influence which videos get promoted. This shift encourages creators to build loyal communities and interact more directly with their fans. With AI taking center stage, there will be increased focus on ethical considerations and transparency. YouTube may introduce clearer guidelines on how recommendations are made, ensuring fairness and reducing bias. This could help build trust with both creators and viewers. The algorithm of 2026 will need to balance trending topics with high-quality content. Instead of just promoting what's popular, YouTube may use new metrics to identify videos that provide real value, whether educational, entertaining, or inspiring. This could help elevate underrepresented voices and topics. By 2026, both short-form and long-form content will have a place on YouTube. The algorithm will likely recognize the unique value of each format, recommending them based on user preferences and viewing habits. This creates more opportunities for creators to experiment and reach different audiences. YouTube's algorithm will continue to improve at understanding different languages, cultures, and regions. This means more localized recommendations and support for creators around the world. The platform will become even more global, connecting diverse communities through content. Accessibility will be a bigger focus, with the algorithm promoting content that's inclusive and easy to enjoy for everyone. Features like auto-captioning, translation, and adaptive interfaces will help make YouTube more welcoming to users with different needs and backgrounds. YouTube will continue to refine its approach to misinformation. The algorithm will use advanced detection methods to flag and reduce the spread of false or harmful content. At the same time, it will promote authoritative sources and encourage critical thinking among viewers. Monetization policies will likely evolve to ensure fairness for all creators. The algorithm may consider factors like originality, community impact, and adherence to guidelines when determining ad placements and revenue sharing. This could help level the playing field for smaller channels. Viewers will have more control over their recommendations. New customization options will let users fine-tune what they see, block unwanted topics, or highlight favorite creators. This empowers users to shape their own YouTube experience. The relationship between creators and viewers will become even more interactive. Features like live Q and As, community posts, and collaborative projects will help strengthen these connections. The algorithm will recognize and reward channels that foster genuine engagement and loyalty. Of course, there will be challenges. Balancing personalization with privacy, promoting diversity without overwhelming users, and keeping up with rapid technological change are all ongoing concerns. YouTube will need to listen to feedback and adapt as the digital landscape evolves. Sum up, the YouTube algorithm has come a long way since 2022, and the next few years promise even more exciting changes. By focusing on personalization, community, and ethical AI, YouTube aims to create a better experience for everyone. Whether you're a creator or a viewer, staying informed about these trends will help you make the most of the platform. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.